In this video, we'll show you how to add and edit products to an organization using the new Product Manager tool in the Operations Center. When sent out in setup files, products help enable accurate documentation in the field and improve the quality of agronomic reporting, which reduces the need for later editing. To access the Product Manager, go to the Tools icon, open the Product Manager tool. When you first open the Product Manager, your product list will be empty. In our example, we have already added some products to the list. Products are added here in order to maintain a clean, quality product list. These active products can be used in the Setup Builder, Field Analyzer Editing, and Jobs. You can use the filter to easily find products in your product list. For products that no longer need to be seen in the list but need to be available for documentation or historical data, it's possible to put them in the Archive Products list. In order to archive products or activate products that are currently archived, check the products from the product list and select the Archive or Activate button. Note: archived products can be hidden or shown by selecting the Active or Archived buttons in the left-hand menu. To add a new product, click on the Add a Product button. Start by searching in the Master Product database to see if your products are available. If so, check and continue to the next page. If your products are not available in the Master Product database, you're able to add them manually. The following information is required to add a product: name, brand, chemical type, form. To save a few steps, you can add multiple products at once by adding them to the shopping cart. Click on Save. All the products in the cart will then show up in your product list. The Product Manager also allows you to add and manage tank mixes. Select Tank Mixes from the drop-down menu at the top of the page. Click Add a Tank Mix. Enter the overall solution rate. Select Products. You can search for products that already exist in your list or add new ones. Up to 6 products can be added to the cart for the tank mix. When products have been selected, click Next and fill out any information that may be needed for each of the products. For example, the form of the product. Add the desired rate for each product and then fill in the tank volume and area you want to apply. The rate of each product, including the carrier, will automatically be calculated in order to achieve the overall solution rate. Make any adjustments needed. Click Next and give your tank mix a name. Select which crops you will be applying. Click Save and the tank mix will show up in the list. Existing tank mixes can be edited by clicking on the tank mix name in the list. You can adjust products or rates. Click on the calculator to calculate product needed for application using the tank mix. This can be printed and taken to the cab or kept for records.